Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Simplywise app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Simplywise is a financial wellness app designed to help users manage their personal finances with ease. The app offers features such as budgeting tools, savings goals, expense tracking, and personalized financial advice. It also provides insights into spending habits and helps users build better money management skills. Simplywise supports syncing across devices and offers secure data protection. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Simplywise for its clean, intuitive interface and straightforward navigation. The app delivers useful notifications and actionable tips that help improve financial habits. Many also value the customizable budgeting features and the ability to visualize progress towards savings goals. However, some users mention that the free version has limited features, and full access requires a subscription. Occasional syncing delays and a lack of advanced investment tracking are also noted. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Simplywise app may be worth using if you're looking for a user-friendly, budget-focused financial tool that promotes healthy money habits. It excels in ease of use and practical advice, but may fall short for those needing more comprehensive financial planning or investment management features. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.